In this video I'm going to show you how to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. This will work on both Android and iOS in 2020. For this method you actually need an app that's called AZ Screen Recorder, because with the current screenshot on your phone by default they will still see it. So just go to the Play Store or App Store. Go to the Play Store and go to the App Store if you have an iOS device. Then you want to search for AZ Screen Recorder, this one, and you want to install this. And what this will do, you can use screen record your phone, and you can also make screenshots without them knowing. So you can open this and you can go to Snapchat, and now you can go to the snap. So go to this snap, and now you can go to the AZ Screen Recorder, and then record your screen and enable screenshots. And when you go back to the snap, you can open it, hit the picture, and now you took a screenshot, but they won't know. This is a great method on Snapchat to make screenshots without them knowing. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.